Apple Vision Pro revolution. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's revolutionizing the way we interact with our devices. It's Apple's latest innovation called Apple Vision Pro technology. In this video, we'll dive deep into what this technology is all about and how it's transforming the way we see things. So, let's get started. Apple has always been at the forefront of technological advancements, and their Vision Pro technology is no exception. This cutting-edge innovation combines artificial intelligence and computer vision to enhance the visual experience across various Apple devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Macs. At its core, Apple Vision Pro technology is designed to analyze and interpret visual data in real time. It leverages the power of machine learning algorithms to understand the content within images and videos, making your device smarter and more intuitive than ever before. Imagine you're taking a photo on your iPhone. With Apple Vision Pro technology, the camera can instantly recognize objects, scenes, and even faces. It can then apply advanced algorithms to optimize the image, adjusting parameters like exposure, white balance, and sharpness, ensuring that your photos always look their best. But it doesn't stop there. Apple Vision Pro technology also enhances the accessibility features on your iPad. For users with visual impairments, the device can now provide detailed descriptions of images, making it easier to understand and interact with visual content. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for individuals with different needs. Apple Vision Pro technology also extends its capabilities to the Mac lineup. With macOS integrated with this technology, your computer can now perform complex image recognition tasks. Imagine being able to search for specific objects within your photos or automatically sort your image library based on content. It's like having a personal assistant for your visual needs. Now, you might be wondering about privacy and security. Apple has always been committed to protecting user data, and Apple Vision Pro technology is no exception. All the processing is done on-device, ensuring that your personal information stays private and secure. So, how can you experience Apple Vision Pro technology? Well, it's already integrated into the latest versions of iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, so if you have a compatible device, you're ready to go. Simply update your operating system to enjoy the benefits of this incredible technology. That wraps up our overview of Apple Vision Pro technology. With its ability to analyze and interpret visual data, this innovation is truly changing the way we interact with our devices. From improved photography to enhanced accessibility features, Apple Vision Pro is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We hope you found this video informative and exciting. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.